All right, so mathematicians, make sure that you have turned your math brain on.
Juana Rahili, first grade teacher at Guilford Elementary, is giving her mathematicians a lesson.
Today's focus, we're going to think about how we can break apart numbers and put them back together.
Her students are learning how to make number combinations and learning the difference between an expression and an equation.
Today's lesson really focused on like combinations and how they can make combinations of 9 or combinations of 7, and just getting kids to identify like it doesn't matter like what order we put numbers in, as long as you have two numbers that equal the value.
Miss Rahili is sprinkling in story problems to include literacy into the lesson.
Early literacy is key. I mean, statistics and data shows that if students aren't reading at the end of first grade, it's really detrimental when they get to third grade and taking EOGs.
Miss Rahili also has fun in her class. She's playing the shake and spill game to help her kids understand.
So if he got 5 plus 4, what equation could you write, Claire? What's the switcheroo?
It's my turn.
Exactly. Good job.
I know I'm a very visual, hands-on person, so giving them the opportunity to like use manipulatives and have that hands-on when they're learning something abstract or concrete, it can just give them the scaffold that they need to really understand the concepts that we're teaching.
That trickles into her teaching philosophy of having a student-centered classroom.
Kind of like giving them the initiative and wanting them to take the initiative for their learning, giving them the choice, like the autonomy to like lead their lessons, solve problems the way they want to solve it, not just telling them what to do or having them mimic me, which is what I don't want. I want you learning, not mimicking me. Take ownership of your learning. And I think that's really like sets them up for the future and like moving through the rest of this year and on to second grade and third grade and throughout.
Mrs. Rahili builds relationships with her students and truly gets to know them. She knows they're the future and wants to foster a sense of belonging in her classroom.
If we're instilling that sense of belonging, that sense of making everybody feel welcome, maybe there would be less violence and less hate in the world. Just letting them know that, hey, like, I love what you're doing. I love you sharing your opinions, your thoughts, your creativity. Like, this is where I want you to grow. Like, just letting them know, like, hey, this is your place too. It's my room, but it's our room. I tell them all the time, you're going to change the world. You are going to change the world. So I think once they learn that when they're young, they're going to keep that with them.
People have taken notice of Mrs. Rahili's hard work. For all that she has done, she has been named this year's GCS Teacher of the Year.
To just have them like say my name, it was just, I think it was, first of all, it was just shock immediately. And then like, wow, like just overwhelming joy and just overwhelming everything. I think every emotion that I could have, I had it. Hey, somebody saw the good things that were happening and just so thankful that I was able to be recognized.
This has been a GCS News Break.